Klaviyo helps you write high-quality marketing texts faster with AI Copy Assistant. Take Beantown Coffee as an example. They're a fast-moving small business and don't have hours to spend crafting engaging copy. That's why they rely on AI to auto-generate text messages that are customized based on their messaging goals, giving them high-quality content without slowing them down. But first, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. All right, let's jump into it. When using AI Copy Assistant, Beantown first specifies the type of campaign they want to create. For example, promotion. Next, they can insert a specific product name if they wish to feature an item. In this case, cold brew sampler. Finally, Beantown writes a quick 1 to 2 sentence campaign description. The description should be detailed, but also conversational, like you're describing this campaign to a friend. They include important information like the 25% off sale on this product throughout December. Once they complete all the fields, Klaviyo's AI Copy Assistant will generate multiple message variations instantly. The marketer can select one to then edit directly or regenerate for more ideas until they find one that suits their needs. In just a few steps, Beantown's marketing manager has created a ready-to-send text message campaign powered by Klaviyo AI. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.